Hi everyone, so I wanted to share with you a gift box I received from Princeton. Some of you might not know that I am actually an ambassador for Princeton Brush. I have been using their brushes for the last 2 years, Aqua Elite mostly and Velvet Touch series, and since I became their ambassador, basically since they have featured my painting on their set of Aqua Elite brushes. So this is their gift box. I actually have not gone through this yet, but this is the wonderful note I got. I asked for brushes that I have never tried before. These are series select. I have not tried these brushes, but by looking at them, first of all, I can tell they are synthetic and they are on the stiffer side. They remind me a little bit of Velvet Touch series. Another one is this one. What is this one? This is the GLACIER. I really have not tried a lot of these different series brushes. I've mostly been using, like I said, Velvet Touch series and Aqua Elite. This is a really pretty brush. It's called GLACIER. So these UMBRIA brushes I have tried in the past. I remember them actually and I like them. Those were actually some of my first ones. I remember using the chisel blender. Oh, there you go. See, I knew it. This is my older brush. I pretty much had this one for maybe 3 years now. So this is another flat brush, but these are the new ones. These are the round ones. I have not tried this script liner brush for sure. I have not tried their script liner brush, so I'm gonna try these for sure. Now, what else do I have? So these are the Lauren brushes. I remember reading about these. These are round brushes as well. I have a size 0 now, size 4 and 2. I will be sharing with you more about these brushes in the following tutorials because I will be painting with them right away. So there is more of the heritage brushes. So one of the questions and comments I got was, what does it mean when there's a 10/0 brush? Whatever you see below 0, it's a smaller brush. So if you have a 1 or 2, those are above 0, so they'll be larger. Anything below 0, so let's say 2/0, then you have 4/0, 10/0. Those means they're much smaller brushes. I feel like this is like never ending. I have so many new brushes. I'm so excited. When I saw these online, they actually reminded me of some of the miniature Velvet Touch series brushes. These are mini detailer brushes. They come in different sizes, just like any other brushes, but there's a 20/0 extra long liner. Look at this one. This one is so long. Look at this. I cannot wait to paint some whiskers with it. Something. This is incredible how long it is. I don't think I've ever had a long brush like this one. And I have another one like this. This is a liner 0. Again, these are the mini detailer brushes. I recognize these. There's more of my round brushes. I use these brushes all the time. Round 0 is like one of my top brushes. So this is Velvet Touch series by Princeton. What are these? These are colored. Okay, first of all, there's more Velvet Touch series brushes. These are, I think they're all the same. So 10/0 liner. I asked for liner brushes, 10/0, because I use them a lot when I paint animals. There's more of the chisel blender, another one of my top brushes. I use these all the time to lift up the paint, especially when I paint animals. There's more of the Velvet Touch series. Another one of my top brushes is round 2 Velvet Touch series. And then there's a round 4. Occasionally I do use round 4 as well. And these are great. They have pointy ends, great for details. There's more of the Velvet Touch series. This is 18/0, even smaller script liner brush. To paint smaller details when you paint like small hair around cat's face and stuff like that. These are Neptune. Great. I've had Neptune before and I like that they're synthetic. They're very soft. More Velvet Touch series. Okay, this is another one of my top brushes. 20/0 monogram brushes, Velvet Touch series. They're very tiny. They're very tiny. And this is exactly what I use when I paint animals. When I paint that small hair around their faces. These are Summit brushes. These are also synthetic. I can tell they're stiffer. Yeah, they are nice and stiffer. So they will be good to control like smaller areas for sure. And smaller work on details. And then we have these. These are Snap. Okay, these are snap brushes. I like how they are colored differently. I do like them. They are also stiffer, nice and pointy. You guys see all these brushes like in actions very soon. I'll be going through all these series because I have not tried a lot of them before. I've been always like focusing the most on, well, ta-da, there it is, guys. I was just telling you how it started with me in Princeton. They used my painting in the background for Aqua Elite brushes. This is Aqua Elite size 4, and this is a travel version brush. So I was so excited when they came up with the travel version of these brushes. This is like the best thing when you are traveling, like literally. So there it is. And there it is. That's the travel version of Aqua Elite brush. I love how you can just put it back in. You don't have to worry about the hair when you travel. So that's the Aqua Elite travel brush. I believe I got more. Yes, I did get more. These are Neptune travel brush sets. So this is great. Again, for my travel, it's just something I really need because I always worry about the hair and how to transport these brushes. They're excellent. So there is the brush. And when you're done painting, you just close it, just like that. I'm not removing this yet because I'm not traveling for a while because I have a little baby and I need to make sure she gets all the shots before I take her for a trip. But these are my travel brushes. These are Neptune series. They're soft, they're synthetic. I think I have more of the travel brushes. So these are travel brushes, Aqua Elite series. I love these. I'm so happy about them. I got more of the Aqua Elite, different size brushes. Perfect. This is like a dream come true, and I couldn't do this without you guys because of my YouTube channel and the way it has been growing. It really is thanks to you that I have become Princeton's artist brush ambassador. I have become their brand ambassador, and this is thanks to you guys. And of course, this means I have received this wonderful gift box, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, and thank you for the wonderful note. This really means a lot to me, your Princeton Brush family. Thank you so much, Princeton. I cannot wait to try all of the brushes that I haven't tried before, and I can't wait to put in action my travel set brushes. These mean a lot to me because I do travel a lot, and I just can't wait till my daughters can start getting on the plane. Thank you so much again.